Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a low carb and filling salad perfect for weight loss and weight management. To make it nutrient dense, I used microgreens which I grew at home. Red amaranth, also known as garnet amaranth, are high in vitamin C, carotenoids, vitamin K and vitamin E. Microgreens provide more nutrition than mature leaves. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of microgreens. Links will be updated below the video. The best way to preserve the nutritional content and flavor of microgreens is to eat them fresh and raw, and topping on salads is my favorite choice to enjoy its health benefits. This weight loss salad is filling as it has sweet potatoes, and that also makes this salad a filling meal perfect for lunch. Sweet potatoes are high in vitamin A, vitamin B5 and B6. They are fat-free and relatively low in sodium and have less calories than white potatoes. They are also a rich source of fiber and helps to keep you feeling fuller for a longer time. They are a good source of iron, calcium, B vitamins and vitamin C. Incorporating this nutritious root vegetable in your diet may help in weight loss as it's super nutrient dense and loaded with dietary fiber. So let's get started with the recipe. First, I'm making a dressing for the salad with the homemade curd. So into a bowl, add in 1 cup homemade curd, half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and give this a mix. Into that, add in 2 chopped green chilies and keep this aside. To assemble the salad, into a plate, add in 1 cup cooked sweet potato. So what I have done is I pressure cooked 1 medium sized sweet potato, and then once it has cooled down, I sliced into bite-sized pieces. Add in 1 grated carrot, a handful of sliced black seedless grapes. The grapes gives a subtle sweetness to the salad. Now instead of grapes, you can use any seasonal fruits like pomegranate seeds or chopped apples. Now if you don't have any seasonal fruit at hand, you can add in 1 tablespoon of black raisins. Next, I'm adding in 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped tomato. Now make some space in the center and place in the salad dressing. Curd, which is also known as dahi in Hindi and fibre in Malayalam, is high in vitamin D, calcium, pottassium and zinc. Homemade curd is the best way to provide your body with gut-friendly bacteria. It not only helps to reduce bloating but also helps to metabolize the food you are eating. Now add in 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves. Just tear the curry leaves and sprinkle over the salad. Curry leaves are rich in iron and folic acid, and hence having them raw helps to get its benefits. I'm adding in a small handful of red amaranth microgreens, also known as garnet amaranth. These fresh microgreens make this salad nutrient dense. You can use any microgreens of your choice. To give an Indian flavor, I am sprinkling in 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. And lastly, for the much needed healthy fats, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of roasted sesame seeds. Sesame seeds helps to balance hormones, helps in nutrient absorption. It's a good source of vitamins, minerals like iron, fiber and magnesium, and it also helps to burn fat. And guys, my healthy, nutrient dense and filling salad is ready to serve. Now just before serving, mix the curd dressing into the salad. And you can also serve the salad on a lettuce leaf. So guys, do try this healthy weight loss salad and let me know how this turned out. If you like to see more such healthy recipes, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.